case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 2011, the Tennessee Supreme Court heard the case of Hughes versus Metropolitan Government of Nashville and Davidson County, which focused on the liability of a government employee for intentionally causing harm to another individual. The case centered around the plaintiff, Dalton Reb Hughes, who was injured by the defendant, Frank Archie, a heavy equipment operator employed by the Metropolitan Government of Nashville and Davidson County, Tennessee, Metro. The incident occurred on October 17, 2003, when the plaintiff alleged that the defendant negligently operated a front-end loader, revving the engine and dropping the bucket onto the pavement. The resulting loud noise led the plaintiff to jump awkwardly over a guardrail and sustain injuries to both shoulders and knees, resulting in over $80,000 in medical bills and approximately $23,500 in lost wages. The trial court found the defendant at fault and acting within the scope of his employment with Metro. On appeal, the Court of Appeals affirmed the judgment but disagreed with the trial court's interpretation of the GTLA. Subsequently, the plaintiff amended their complaint to include intentional conduct, and Metro filed a cross-claim against the defendant for recovery of lost wages and medical expenses. Ultimately, the court decided that the case should be remanded to the trial court for judgment against the employee. It was determined that Metro was not liable for the defendant's intentional conduct due to governmental immunity. However, the plaintiff was entitled to compensation for injuries caused by the defendant's intentional tort of assault, despite the defendant having acted within the scope of his employment.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.